right, good morning, everybody. What are we going to talk about today on Coffee and Questions with the Home Handyman? Well, we've been looking into doing some Christmas shopping, and we do a lot of shopping at Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, all that stuff. And sometimes on Amazon, I find a good deal, I bring it to you. But I also stumbled across Olsa tools. And I'm going to leave you the link above my head here on how to get to Olsa's site, and also, on Amazon, Olsa Tools is sold. So I'm going to buy a few things off of here, have them drop shipped to friends. But I thought I'd put together a quick slideshow. If some of you are unfamiliar with Olsa Tools, they make outstanding quality tools made here in the USA, and there was a lot of thought put into the making of these tools. Now, a lot of times they are not cheap tools. But with the holidays coming, I have a contact there that told me they will be offering some great bargains on some of the socket organizers, wrench organizers, and different products. So let me flip over. Let's get to the slideshow. Hit the pause key. If you see something that you like, I'll be back with you. Okay, well, the first thing is I wanted to show you what their website looked like so you're familiar with it when you get there. And you can see they got the 800 number up here, if you want to call in an order or something like that. And then they also have got, the labels across the top. They've got a forum, they've got all different kinds of things you can click on, or you can just go straight to shopping. Okay, let's switch slides and let's take a look at some of their products. Okay, here's a nice, T-bar holder you can mount to the side of your toolbox or mount anywhere you want. And this is a good idea. I mean, it holds 5 of them or other tools that you want. Okay, so now I'm going to show you several pliers holders that you can put in your toolbox. And you can put wrenches in there or whatever you want. But mainly, I think they work great for pliers. Here's one example, and let me show you a few more. Here's another example. It shows you with all the needle nose in there. And you just hit the pause key whenever you want. Otherwise, I'm going to keep moving through so I show you as complete of like a cataloging as I can. It's not everything. You need to go to the website, but I'll show you as much as I can quickly here so you get some gift ideas. And this is just showing you the dimensions of the rack if you're interested. So just hit the space bar. Otherwise, like I said, I'm going to keep moving quickly through these. Okay, now also sells screwdrivers and screwdriver sets, and they are high quality. You can read all the reviews for yourself, but this gives you kind of a sample overview of all of the different sizes, lengths, and so forth if you're interested in that. Now let me show you some more holders here, which is, I think, what they're more famous for is a lot of their tool organizing and holders. Now, the screwdriver, holder, this organizer, they have the same one for sockets. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. I own those and we'll talk about them. But this I thought was great, this screwdriver thing right here. And you can attach this anywhere you want, like along a wall. And it also, you can magnetize and stick it to the side of your toolbox, which I thought would make a great gift idea for people. I will be ordering this. I don't have one personally on hand right now, but the people out at the club that I belong to, they own them, they love them, and you can get this anodized red that you see here in a multitude of colors to match your toolbox or someone else's as a gift if you want. Okay, these are the socket organizers. These are the ones that I own. It's in the $20-odd price range. You get several of them. Here's the nice thing about these. They have ball bearings on the tip of, these plastic, holders here, and it really holds the sockets on well. You can wave these around. They're not going to fall off on you. They come in lots of different anodized colors to match your toolbox and so forth. The other nice thing, the end caps on these are like a soft rubber, but they fit on there very nice and snug. You can remove them. You can add more organizers on there and buy them individually from Olsa, or you can take some off if that's what you want to do. And so these, you can see the elongated holes. You can zap these into a wall or something. Now, I don't. I have them laying and standing up inside of my toolbox. I just grab the rack out, use what I need, put it back on the, the organizer there and set it back in. So this is nice. I own them. Like I said, these are a great, great tool. Okay, because it's a little bit smaller of a company. I mean, these are $26.99. Like I said, they're a little pricey. That's what people will say, but they may drop this going into the Christmas season or the holiday season. But here's the nice part about this. Lifetime warranty, 30-minute response time. This is a company that wants to make sure that their customers are satisfied, and it's free shipping over $50. All these are nice little perks if you want to consider something higher end, for your toolbox or for a gift for somebody. All right, let's keep going. Okay, here's another socket organizing set you may want instead of those racked ones that I showed you that I own. They make other organizers, and here's an example of another one that they make. You may prefer this one, and you can see how they're all numbered. They come in the nice plastic trays. They got the nice vertical plastic pieces. They are nice and thick. A friend of mine out at one of the club that we belong to has these, and they work great. It's just another way of doing it, whatever your preference is. All right, here's even another one to consider, and you might like this because it's in rows, and it's on a nice flat plate, and it's got a handle where you can just reach in, you can grab it, and you have all of your sockets together at once. I mean, this is just another consideration. Okay, in case you have trouble visualizing what some of these racks may look like in your toolbox, I pulled this off of the web just to give you an idea. Okay, now here's something I forgot to mention, as well as showing you how the the magnetized surfaces can stick to the side of your toolbox if that's what you want. A lot of these have magnetic backings, so you can just screw or bolt them, yes, but they also are magnetized. So you can see here in the picture where somebody put these on the side of their cart. So it's whatever your preference is when it comes to working and what's going to make it easier on you. Okay, what about wrenches, box end, open end, whatever kind of wrenches you have? Well, they also make these. And these can be really handy for you also if you're sticking them on the side of a toolbox, or if you just want to lay them down in your toolbox. It keeps everything well organized. I've got a molded case for mine. I keep them in there, so I don't own this right here, but I thought it was a good idea and it's good to include it. It may be something you want to consider. Or maybe this socket organizing carrying case. It's very well made. You can see in the front where it comes down, you can see the handle on it. You can read more about it on their website, but a couple more pictures and we'll conclude. Okay, and here are the wrench organizers to give you a visual of what they could look like in your toolbox. Again, I pulled the picture off of the web. It's not mine, but you can see very well organized, very quick and easy to get a hold of and put back. You can get them in different colors, like I've said. It's just your preference. But the main purpose, I think, is to make better organizational, racks, hangers, and things like that for tools. And I think Olsa does a great job. Like I said, if you look at the website right now, you can read more about these. They are not on sale at the moment, but I'm told coming into the holiday season, they'll be offering specials and different discounts on things. So if you see something you like, keep an eye on it. I'm going to buy a few more things because we swap things in the club, and I think I'll just get them from Olsa because I know that they are very nice, high quality tools. And I already told you, got lifetime warranty on them. Quick service. They're really pounding the table at their company about service to their customers. So I think they're a great place to shop, folks. Okay, they also sell organizer labels like you see here for SAE metric 200 labels. Like in the picture, you can label all of your sockets if they don't stand out enough. I think this is one of their newer products. This is a kneeling pad, for mechanics, technicians, and people like that are on your knees a lot when you're working on cars. $22.87. I don't know. That's, it may be a little more expensive than you want to pay for a knee pad, but it works great. I have one, but I'm not in the mechanic trades. But something else to just consider while you're looking on their website. I'm the home handyman's helper. I'm the raccoon. We switched it off from the wolf. Too many complaints. I guess people don't like the wolf. So we'll stick with this cute little fuzzy guy. We'll see how this works. I hope you click subscribe, drop a comment below if you know there's something out there better than Olsa. When it comes to the socket organizers, I don't. I think they make about the best ones around. And I'll talk to you on the next video, but this is just your Christmas idea gift solution, I hope. Okay, folks, have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.